Hello students, today in this video we will start the chapter controlling. Controlling is the last function of management. First of all, I would like to discuss about the meaning of controlling. Controlling means ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plans or not. Once again, I am telling, controlling means ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plans or not. There are so many definitions of controlling. One of the important definition which is given by Coates O'Donnell, and that is management controls implies the measurement of accomplishment against the standard and the correction of deviation to assure attainment of objectives according to the plans. In other words, if you want to give analyze this definition, we can conclude that controlling means comparing the actual performance with the standard and taking the corrective action if needs. So in the controlling, actual performance is compared with the standard performance, and if any variation and variation is there, then the corrective actions are to be taken so that these variation could not take place in future. Now let us discuss some of the features of controlling. The first is goal oriented. Controlling is a goal oriented process. Controlling ensures that an organization resources are being used effectively and efficiently for the achievement of organizational objectives. Second is, it is all pervasive. Pervasive means which lies everywhere. Controlling is pervasive. You can find the controlling in middle operational level. Controlling function of a manager is a pervasive function. It is a primary function of every manager. Manager at all the levels of management, whether it's a top level, middle level, lower level, need to perform the controlling function to keep a control over the activities of the area. Third is controlling is both backward as well as forward looking. Controlling is a like post-mortem of all the activities to find out deviation from the standard. In this sense, controlling is a backward backward looking function. Controlling is also a forward looking function because the corrective action initiated by control function aims to improve the future performance. Next is a continuous process. Controlling is a continuous process. Controlling is a continuous function as it involves a constant review of performance to ensure that activities in the organization are performed as per the plans. Controlling should not be misunderstood as the last function of management. It brings the management cycle back to the planning function. So it is a continuous process. Now let us discuss some of the points of importance of controlling. Importance of controlling. The first importance means of accomplishing organizational goals. Accomplishing organizational goals. The controlling function measures progress towards the organizational goal and brings to the light the deviation, if any, and indicates corrective action. Second is making efficient use of resources. Efficient use of resources. By exercising control, a manager seeks to reduce wastage and spoilage of the resources. Each activity is performed in accordance with the predetermined standards and norms. This ensures that the resources are used in the most effective and efficient manner. Next point is order and discipline. It ensures order and discipline. Ensure order and discipline. Controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization. It helps to minimize dishonest behavior on the part of employee by keeping a close check on their activities. The fourth point is improving employee motivation. Employee motivation. A good control system ensures that employees know well in advance what they are expected to do and what are the standards of performance on the basis of which they will be appraised. So motivates means controlling motivates the employees and helps them to give the better performance. Next point is facilitating coordination. Fifth point, coordination. Facilitating coordination. Controlling provides direction to all the activities and efforts for achieving organizational goals. Each department and employee is governed by predetermined standards which are well coordinated with one another. This ensures that overall organizational objectives are accomplished. Last point of importance, that is judging accuracy of standards. Judging accuracy of standards. An efficient control system keeps a careful check on changes taking place in the organization and in the environment and helps to review and revise the standards in light of such changes. A good control system enables management to verify whether the standards set are accurate or not. Means the standards should be like that they should not be achieved very easily, neither they should not be achieved very easily, nor they should be too hard to achieve. Means these should be achieved with hard work. So easy standards can leads to the wastage of you can say the wastage of labor resources, and hard objectives, hard standards when we set, then it will decrease the motivation of the employee, that because it will be very difficult to achieve those standards. So standards should be fixed in such a manner that they should be achieved with the hard work. So students, in this video we'll close the video now, and today we once again we revise that what we have discussed today in this video. First of all, we discussed about the concept of controlling, its meaning, definition, and the features of controlling. There are four features. Controlling is a goal-oriented process. Controlling is a pervasive function. It prevails everywhere, whether it's a top, middle, or lower level management. Then controlling is both a backward-looking as well as the forward-looking function. Fourth point of feature was controlling is a continuous process. Then we discussed about importance of controlling. So there are 6 points of importance of controlling. The first is accomplishing organizational goal. Second is making efficient use of resources. Third one, ensuring order and discipline. Fourth one, improving employees' motivation. Fifth point of importance is facilitating coordination in action. And sixth point is judging accuracy of standards. So in this video, this is so far about the controlling, and the remaining part we will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye.